What if I told you that the next few minutes could transform your life? Imagine waking up, skipping the 9-to-5 grind, and logging into a world where your financial potential is unlimited. Too good to be true? Think again. Because in 2024, the internet isn't just a place for memes and cat videos, it's your gateway to financial freedom. Stick around as I reveal 10 proven ways to make money online that can help you build the wealthy lifestyle you've always dreamed of. And here's a hint. Number 8 might just be the game changer you didn't know you needed one. Freelancing. If you have a skill, writing, graphic design, coding, you can sell it online. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you directly with clients. Think about it. Instead of working for one boss, you could have multiple clients from around the globe bidding for your time and talent. But wait, before you dive in, let me ask you, how many hours have you spent binge-watching shows this week? Imagine turning half of that time into cash instead. Tempting, isn't it? 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a skill that's in high demand. Whether you're great at math, fluent in a foreign language, or an expert in coding, there's someone out there willing to pay you to teach them. Platforms like Tutor.com, Cambly, or even Zoom sessions with clients allow you to share your knowledge and earn from anywhere. Think about it. Your skills could be the key to someone else's success and your financial freedom. If you've ever helped a friend study, you're already halfway there. 3. Selling digital products. Have expertise in something? Package it into a digital product like an ebook or online course. For example, a simple guide to budget travel or learn photography in 7 days can generate consistent income. Now, if selling isn't your thing, maybe creating content is. And no, you don't need 1 million followers to cash in. 4. Content creation. Creating content on YouTube is more accessible than ever. Whether it's gaming, tutorials, or lifestyle vlogs, ad revenue and sponsorships can add up. And while we're talking about YouTube, let's switch gears to something just as visual. 5. Social media management. Brands are desperate for social media savvy people to run their accounts. If you're good at creating memes or crafting captions, you can turn it into a legitimate career. 6. Crypto trading and NFTs. Cryptocurrency and NFTs aren't just buzzwords, they're opportunities. Whether it's trading Bitcoin or flipping NFTs, the digital asset space is ripe for growth. But beware, it's not all rainbows. Understanding the risks is key to making this work for you. 7 online surveys and micro-tasks. Websites like Swagbucks and Amazon MTurk pay you for simple tasks, answering surveys, testing apps, or categorizing images. 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Imagine running an online store from your laptop, where suppliers handle the rest. 9. Becoming a virtual assistant. Busy entrepreneurs need virtual assistants to manage their lives. If you're organized and good with details, this is a gold mine. 10. Podcasting. Podcasting is exploding in 2024. Choose a niche, share your voice, and watch as sponsors and fans help fund your dream. Each of these methods has the potential to change your life, but they only work if you start. So, which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Remember, the internet is a tool. It's up to you to use it wisely. And if you're ready to take your money game to the next level, check out my video on personal finance tips every college student needs to know. It's linked on your screen now. Start building your wealthy future today.